Elevate your counting, mastering numbers 801 to 900. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our continuing journey to master the English language, one number at a time. Today, we're venturing a little bit further into the world of cardinal numbers. We'll be focusing on numbers 801 to 900. That's right, we're climbing up the numerical ladder. Let's get counting. Just like in the numbers we've discussed before, you'll see a pattern here as well. For example, 801 can be expressed as 801. You see, it's all about placing the right words at the right places. Let's practice a bit. 805, 805, 815, 815, 825, 825. The same pattern continues all the way up to 899. There's always a special number in every 100, right? In this case, it's 900, which we express as 900. It's the last stop before we reach a new milestone 1000. But we're not there yet. Let's stay in the 800s for a bit more and perfect them. Now, it's time to reinforce what we've learned. I'll say a number, and you try to write it out in words. 808. Did you get 808? Good job! 878. That's right, it's 878. 895. Yes, it's 895. Well done. Let's continue this exercise with more numbers, and don't worry if you make mistakes. Practice makes perfect. And there you have it, everyone. We've successfully navigated the numbers 801 to 900. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets. English language learning is a journey, and you're doing fantastic. So keep practicing, keep counting, and soon, you'll be a master at these numbers. Until next time, happy counting!